Good morning, little Commodores. For math today, I need you to get a piece of paper and a pencil or a crayon or marker or dry erase board, something that you can do the problems with me at the same time. So if you need to pause the video and go get those things, then please do so. Otherwise, if you're ready, then I'm ready. All right, friends, what I want you to do first is look at my board. And I'm going to draw some shapes on there, and then we're going to count them together. So on my board, I drew 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I want you to do on your piece of paper is I want you to draw triangles, and I want you to draw 5 triangles and then draw one more triangle. I'm going to do the same thing on my paper. I draw my 5. And then I'm going to draw one more. So up here, I had 5 circles. And down here, I drew 5, and then I drew one more. One more than 5, let's count and figure it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, one more than 5 is 6. So I could put my number 6 right there. And remember yesterday when we talked about how we could find the partner to make sure that we have the same amount? Make sure you're doing that today as well so that you can see that you're only adding one more each time. So 5, one more is 6. We have 6 triangles. Now let's try another one. I'm going to draw some shapes on the board, and I want you to count them as I'm drawing them. I hope you notice what kind of shape I'm drawing. Whisper it into your hand or tell the adult that's sitting next to you. All right. What shape is this, boys and girls? It's a rectangle, isn't it? And how many rectangles do we have? Well, let's count them to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have 6 rectangles. Now what I want you to do underneath the rectangles is I want you to draw squares. I want you to draw 6 squares, and then I want you to draw one more square. Remember, a square is a rectangle that has 4 equal sides. That means they are the same. So we're going to draw 6 squares. And then we're going to draw one more. So let's make sure that that's what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I asked us to draw one more. And one more than 6 is 7. So we can match up our partners again. There's a partner, partner. There's a partner, partner. There's a partner and a partner. And then one more would make 7. Let's try one more problem when we're talking about one more. And then I'll show you guys what you can do at home. All right, this time I'm going to draw a different shape. And it's one of our 3-dimensional shapes. It's one of our solid shapes. All right, well, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What shape did I draw, boys and girls? I drew a cone, didn't I? Remember how we talked about a cone? It has one point has a face, a circle face, and it has straight sides and a curvy side. Yeah, so we drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cones. Now what I want you to do is draw 7 cylinders and then add 1 more. Remember, a cylinder, you can make its 2 circle faces. Draw a line and make its circle face on the bottom. Like that. It kind of looks like a can of vegetables or a can of soup. So go ahead on your piece of paper and draw 7 cylinders. And remember, we're not artists here, so just do the best you can. I like our cylinders because a cylinder has 2 circle faces. And remember, a cylinder can roll just like a cone. So I'm going to draw 7. And then I'm going to draw 1 more down here on the bottom. We're running out of room, so I have to draw a smaller one. So if we drew 7 up here and we added 1 more, we could count on 7. 1 more would be 8. That's right, friends. 1 more than 7 is 8. We have 8 cylinders. And just like before, we could find our partners, match them up to make sure that is what we have. And we have this guy right here, the 1 more. All right, friends. Now, if you can, print this paper out at home. If you cannot, you can just draw it by yourself at home. Have your parents help you. What it's wanting you to do is it's wanting you to count how many are in the first box. So you can see it says how many snails. 1, 2, 3. Then it says draw a leaf for every snail and then draw 1 more leaf. How many leaves would that be? Just do your best on drawing the leaf. Don't worry if you can't make it look like a real leaf. Just do whatever you can. This would be 3. 1 more would be 4. All right, boys and girls, I hope that you get your math work done today. And if you have extra time today, maybe you could practice counting to 50. And then if you have even extra time today, maybe you could get out a piece of paper and a marker or a crayon and you could practice writing your numbers to 20 and maybe even go farther if you can. See you tomorrow, friends. Bye-bye.